Hello everyone, I'm Yanyin and today I'm here to discuss cheese. So I'm going to share my favorite type of cheese and also how it's made. So cheese isn't a huge part of the food culture in Hong Kong, which is where I am from. So I haven't had the chance to try many different types of cheese. And most Hong Kong people are more familiar with the processed cheese slices, which are found in most of the grocery stores. And a lot of people won't even compare these cheese slices to the traditional cheese. So in fact, the only common kinds of cheese we eat are cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan. And even though I haven't had the chance to try a lot of cheeses, my favorite is mozzarella. I love its soft texture, the mild flavor with a creamy and slightly salty taste, and the way it creates a delightful cheese pool when melted. And it is the best when added as toppings on pizzas and casserole dishes. So speaking of mozzarella, it's unique because of its high moisture content, around 50 to 60%, and that gives it soft texture. And unlike hard cheeses that need weeks or even months to age, mozzarella is usually eaten fresh or after just a very short period of ripening. Traditionally, it's made from buffalo milk, which is known for having a higher fat content, making the cheese extra creamy. So how is it made? The industrial process of making mozzarella starts with checking the quality of the buffalo milk and then pasteurizing it. A starter culture of lactic acid bacteria is added to develop acidity, which assists in the milk coagulation and also contributes to the flavor development. Lactobacillus delbrueckii species bulgaricus is a common strain used in mozzarella production. This is because this bacteria is able to ferment galactose, which is desirable in mozzarella. Rennet is also added to aid in curdling. After the curds form, they are cut to remove the whey. The curds are then heated gradually to develop a stretchy texture. Cheesemakers then stretch and knead the curd to further create that signature elastic and smooth texture of mozzarella. The curds are finally being shaped into balls and rapidly cool, and now they're ready for sales or to enjoy on the table. While it might be hard to get buffalo milk and special cultures at home, we can still make fresh homemade mozzarella with regular milk and citric acid used instead of the bacterial culture. The process is pretty simple. First, we can add the citric acid and rennet to warm milk so that the milk will coagulate, and then we can let the curds settle. Then we will cut and cook the curds, and then we can remove them from the liquid, which is the whey. And then the most interesting part is that we will actually have to microwave them until they reach an internal temperature of around 57 degrees Celsius. And this is because at this temperature we can stretch and shape our homemade mozzarella more easily. So this is how we can get a fresh homemade mozzarella. This is the end of my presentation. I hope you enjoy my sharing on how mozzarella is made. Thank you.